How to change your account information on your Gmail address. So this video is going to be about how you can change your name, your date of birth, and everything on your email. Alright, so first thing that you want to do is head over to your Google Play Store and make sure that the account that you want to change is logged in. And once you've made sure to log into your account, just tap on it, your profile icon at the top right, and from here tap on manage your Google account. Now it will open up your Google account and you can see all of the information right here. And in order to change your personal info, just tap on the second tab. And right here you can see different options like your name, birthday, gender, and everything. And what you have to do now is just tap on your name if you want to change it. It will most probably ask for your password. Once you've entered your password, you can just change your name. Just tap on it. And you can edit your first name and last name. I'm just going to change the last name and make it capital T. And then tap on save. And now your name should be changed. So it was small t before, now it's uppercase T. And that's how you can change your personal info. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next one.